In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Miro. Whether you're logging in for the first time or just need a quick refresher, I'll walk you through each screen and share a few practical tips along the way. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to miro.com/login. Make sure the address bar shows the official Miro site before you proceed. This is a good page to bookmark, especially if you'll be logging in frequently from the same device. On the sign-in page, you'll see two ways to continue. If you created a Miro account with an email and password, enter that email address and then your password. Take a second to double check for typos and that caps lock is off. A password manager can help you fill these fields accurately. Next, click to continue. If you signed up using a single sign-on provider, choose the button for Google, Microsoft, or Slack instead. This keeps everything tied to the same identity you originally used. Click the appropriate provider, pick your account if prompted, and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. If your organization manages your login, you might see a brief redirect to your company's sign-in page. That's normal. After you've entered your details, you may be asked to complete two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to protect your boards and projects. Open your Authenticator app or check the method you've set up and enter the verification code. Codes are time-sensitive, so if one doesn't work, wait for the next code and try again. Keep your device's time in sync to avoid validation issues and never share these codes with anyone. Once the verification is accepted, select Sign In to finish. You should land on your Miro dashboard or the last board you accessed. If you're part of multiple teams or workspaces, you may be asked to choose where to continue. That's the whole process. Go to miro.com/login, use your email and password, or continue with Google, Microsoft, or Slack. Complete two-factor authentication if prompted, and click Sign In. If something doesn't load, a quick page refresh usually clears it up, and trying a different browser can help if extensions are blocking pop-ups. For convenience, remember to bookmark the login page, and for security, always sign out when you're on a shared or public computer. Thanks for watching. Now you're ready to sign into Miro with confidence.